Welcome learners for lecture first of mathematical method semester third. Let us go to the study about of unit first of mathematical method, that is a Fourier transform. Before you starting the Fourier transform, we discuss about the some information of the Fourier transform, that is the some content of the Fourier transform, means the history of Fourier transform. After that, who invented the Fourier transform, then we definition of the Fourier transform. They will be discuss all the content of Fourier transform. What is the history of Fourier transform? You know that Fourier transform come to the study of the Fourier series, because for the study of Fourier series is complicated, but they transform into the periodic function. These periodic functions are written as a sum of a simple waves, means mathematically represented as a sine and cosine form. They are easily explained. See as a diagram, they will be represented as a Fourier transform, that is a capital F. Then after that, the Fourier transform is extended of the Fourier series. Some of the result will be given when the period of the representing function is a lengthed and allowed to approach as a infinity. Means the last form of this sine and cosine function wave will be generated as a, that is a infinity. This is the all history of Fourier transform. After that, who invented to the Fourier transform? That means the father of Fourier transform. You know that Fourier name will be given as a Joseph Fourier, was a French mathematician and a physicist. They will be given as a most of the important form of the Fourier series: Fourier analysis, harmonic analysis, and application of the sum problem, that is a heat transform and vibration. Means in mathematics, in the Fourier series, means mathematical method, they will be the most important scientist of this form, because they will be invented most of the different form, that is a Fourier analysis, all of this, and they will be contain Fourier transform and Fourier law of conduction. Means hence is that honor will be given as a most important name. Means this will be given as a name, that is a Fourier. They will be generated as a Fourier transform, and this is the most important form is created, that is a greenhouse effect. Means it is also known as a discovery of the greenhouse. This is called as a Joseph Fourier. All of history, father of Fourier transform, means it is called as a Joseph Fourier. Then after that, what is meant by Fourier transform? You know that in the diagram we see that wavelength will be transformed in the one wave to the another form, means a sum of a simple wave will be generated. Then this wave is a physics form. They will be generated in a mathematics. Hence its definition will be formed, that is a mathematical function that transform a function of a time. Means a wave will be rotated in a some distance with a time. They will be contained as a function of a time xt to the function of the frequency xw. Means it is directly related to the Fourier series. Means the input and determine the Fourier transform is applied to waveform, which are basically a function of a time space. Time space will be contained as a, because wave will be transformed in a one point to the another point, they will be rotated, they will be generated sine form and cosine form. Hence its Fourier series directly depend on the mathematical form, that is the sine and cosine. After that, this Fourier transform decompose a waveform. Fourier transform is decompose a waveform into sine and some of the cosine wave. Hence it is represented as a waveform. Hence it is called as a waveform representation. After that, this is the all definition of the Fourier transform. Then what is the explanation of Fourier transform? Explanation of Fourier transform, this same as a mathematical series which directly depend on the Fourier transform. The Fourier transform is a mathematical function that decompose a waveform which function of a time, sum of the frequency that make up it. Means that they will be form. What is mean? Fourier transform is a mathematical function that decompose into the waveform, which function of a time as a wavelength. They all see in the diagram or the see in the diagram of picture. They will be Fourier transform is represented as a capital F. Then which result to form as a complex value function of a frequency. Means that result will be contained as a complex value function of a frequency. After that, this complex value function means Fourier transform is also called as a generalization of the Fourier series. Means directly depend on the Fourier series they will be generated. After that, this term can also be applied in a both of the frequency as well as a representation of a time. Hence, it is called as a mathematical function. The Fourier transform helps in an extending the Fourier series to the non-periodic function, means a sum of the non-periodic function, which allow viewing any function that is a simple form of a sine form and cosine form. This will be the all explanation of the Fourier transform. After that, they will be generated as a formula of the Fourier transform. The Fourier transform of a function represented as a capital F. Means a function is represented as a f of t because time period will be rotated, time period will be contained as a waveform, one form to the another form they will be generated. Then this formula will be given as a f of ft, means a function of ft equals to integration form of, lastly say that is wave is generated in the sum of simple wave, lastly generated as a form that is a infinity. There does not contain is a sum of the value will be changes if n equals to sum of the value will be given, but last form is contained as a infinity. Hence put up that f is equal to, means a function of f of t equals to integration minus infinity to infinity, that is the e to the power minus ist, this function f of t dt will be contained. This is formula. Repeated this formula, function of f of t equals to integration minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus ist f of t dt, where you know that e to the power minus ist is called as a kernel of this function and s is called as a parameter of the function. All these function means a function of f of t is also called as a inverse Fourier transform. This is also called as a inverse Fourier transform. Okay, all of this will be contained at this history of that transform. After that, what is the explanation, definition of Fourier transform? This is the most important form. We lesson is the started of this Fourier series. This basic information will be given and another form will be started.